Okay, Keith here. So we were learning the basic major bar chord, the six string root chord there, and then the fifth string root chord, and then they're removable. There's a lot of ways to go, but usually what you learn at this point is this a 12 bar blues based on this little guitar kind of cliche boogie-woogie rhythm pattern that everybody's been playing since the beginning of time. And it's based upon this chord form, the six string root chord major, and you're just going to play the bottom two strings. And the same thing with the major form on the inside four strings. You're just going to play those two. So you got that going. Well, that's not the blues, but let's start with the blues. So, and they usually get your pinky in on the action, and they get this rhythmic thing going like this, right? So that was 12 bars. And so what I mean by 12 bars, if you're not hip to that, is 12 bars means 12 patterns of four beats of the music. So in other words, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that length of time continues for 12 times. Now, the chords change over those, over the time. Usually it's 4 bars of the 1 chord, then 2 bars of the 4 chord, then back to 2 bars of the 1 chord. Then they go up to the 5 chord for 1, down to the 4 chord for 1, up to the 1 chord for the 1. Now, if the song ends, it stays there in a 1. And if the song continues, they go up to the top, they do some fancy thing into the 4 chord or some fancy turnaround, which we'll get into. But for now, let's just learn the basic blues form. So let me go ahead and play it. So what you got to work on is this. Now there's all different variations of this, but this is the first one. So that's the 1 chord. And goes to the 4 chord. I'll try not to rush too. Back to the 1 chord. Now we're going to go up to the 5 chord for 1 measure. Down to the 4 chord for 1 measure. One chord. Now we'll turn it around. Hit the 5. Back to the 1. Some people like this variation. Reach out there with that pinky. Reach out with the pinky. The other variation is they'll go to the 4 chord on the 2nd measure. I kind of like that. And the 4 chord, it's all based off 12 bars. Okay, so that's the 12 bar blues. You want to get it. It's the 1, 4, and 5, and the patterns there are up how long each one is. And it's something to learn and master this. It's actually a dotted 8th and a 16th rhythm. Get that little finger going. Now, if you're having trouble reaching it to start, obviously you can. It's a little easier up. It's a little easier up here. it's still based off those chords, and it's kind of a nice thing to learn before we learn some, go into some more chord stuff. So there you go. I hope that helps. Learn the 12-bar blues. It's always the same. You can play it here in G, same pattern, right? Got a little bit more guts down there, doesn't it? Experiment with, you can mute it with your left hand here, or your right hand rather, and get a lot of different sounds. So experiment with that, and hope it helped you out. All right, thanks a lot. Hey, welcome to my guitar channel. If you're looking to master fundamentals of scales, chords, and a bit of music theory, you're in the right place. This channel is all about helping you build a strong foundation step by step so that you can go out on the internet and learn all those fancy licks that everybody can show you. Incremental improvement starts with consistency. So you want to try to practice a little bit every day. Even 10 minutes can make a huge difference. And don't forget to come back often for new lessons and tips. If you want a more personalized guidance, I offer online lessons for $25 for half an hour. A few lessons can get you pointed in the right direction and boost your progress, especially if you're just starting out learning some chords and some scales and some things of that nature. Just reach out to me through the contact info in the description. Okay, let's get to the next lesson. Practice hard.